common English sentences for daily use. How's it going? How's it going?
What's up? What's up? Long time no see? Long time no see?
How have you been? How have you been? What's new with you? What's new with you? How's your day going? How's your day going?
Lovely weather, isn't it? Lovely weather, isn't it?
Did you have a good weekend? Did you have a good weekend? What are your plans for today? What are your plans for today?
How's work? School? How's work? School? Can you do me a favor? Can you do me a favor?
Could you help me out? Could you help me out? Would you mind giving me a hand? Would you mind giving me a hand?
Can I ask you something? Can I ask you something?
Do you have a second? Do you have a second? Could you explain this to me? Could you explain this to me? Can you show me how to do this? Can you show me how to do this? Would you cover for me? Would you cover for me? Can you pick me up later? Can you pick me up later? Could you lend me some money? Could you lend me some money? Are you free this weekend? Are you free this weekend? Let's hang out sometime. Let's hang out sometime.
What time should we meet? What time should we meet?
Where should we go? Where should we go? Do you want to grab lunch? Do you want to grab lunch? Let's catch up soon. Let's catch up soon. How about we go to the movies? How about we go to the movies? Are you up for a road trip? Are you up for a road trip? Let's plan something fun. Let's plan something fun. Can we reschedule? Can we reschedule? I would rather stay home. I would rather stay home. I prefer tea over coffee. I prefer tea over coffee. I am not a fan of that. I am not a fan of that. I love this. I love this. I am not in the mood for that. I am not in the mood for that. I would like to try something new. I would like to try something new. I'm craving pizza right now. I'm craving pizza right now. I am not really into that. I am not really into that. I would prefer to go early. I would prefer to go early. I'm okay with either option. I'm okay with either option. What is for dinner? What is for dinner? Can you turn off the TV? Can you turn off the TV? I'm going to bed. I'm going to bed. Don't forget to lock the door. Don't forget to lock the door. Can you help me clean up? Can you help me clean up? I am out of milk. I am out of milk. The laundry is piling up. The laundry is piling up. Let's order takeout tonight. Let's order takeout tonight. I will do the dishes later. I will do the dishes later. Can you take out the trash? Can you take out the trash? I have a meeting in 10 minutes. I have a meeting in 10 minutes. Can I take a day off? Can I take a day off? I need to finish this report. I need to finish this report. Let's brainstorm some ideas. Let's brainstorm some ideas. Can you send me the file? Can you send me the file? I'll get back to you later. I'll get back to you later. I'm swamped with work. I'm swamped with work. Let's schedule a call.
Let's schedule a call. I need a coffee break. I need a coffee break.
Can you proofread this for me? Can you proofread this for me?
How much does this cost? How much does this cost?
Do you have this in a smaller size? Do you have this in a smaller size?
Can I try this on? Can I try this on? Is this on sale? Is this on sale?
Do you accept credit cards? Do you accept credit cards?
I am just browsing, thanks. I am just browsing, thanks. Where can I find the milk? Where can I find the milk? Can I get a discount? Can I get a discount? Do you have a return policy? Do you have a return policy? You'll take this one. You'll take this one. Where's the nearest bus stop? Where's the nearest bus stop? How do I get to the airport? How do I get to the airport? Can you recommend a good restaurant? Can you recommend a good restaurant?
Is there a hotel nearby? Is there a hotel nearby?
What time does the train leave? What time does the train leave?
Can I have a window seat? Can I have a window seat?
How long is the flight? How long is the flight? Do I need a visa? Do I need a visa?
Can you take a photo of me? Can you take a photo of me?
Where's the restroom? Where's the restroom? I am so happy right now. I am so happy right now. I am really stressed out. I am really stressed out. I am feeling overwhelmed. I am feeling overwhelmed.
I'm excited for the weekend. I'm excited for the weekend.
I am so bored. I am so bored. I am nervous about the presentation. I am nervous about the presentation. I am in a great mood today. I am in a great mood today. I am feeling a bit down. I am feeling a bit down. I am over the moon. I am over the moon. I am so frustrated with this. I am so frustrated with this. Can I call you back later? Can I call you back later? I'll text you the details. I'll text you the details. Sorry I missed your call. Sorry I missed your call. Can you hear me okay? Can you hear me okay? I am in a meeting right now. I am in a meeting right now. Let's talk later. Let's talk later. I'll send you an email. I'll send you an email. Can you speak up? Can you speak up? I'm losing signal. I'm losing signal. I'll let you go now. I'll let you go now.
Enjoyed the video? Hit subscribe, give a thumbs up, and leave a comment below.